I think Hindi cinema is going through an identity crisis. Now, no more South cinema. Now it's a global cinema or it's a universal Indian cinema. They have stuck to their roots. हम कहीं जो है ना जा रहे हैं इधर की यार ऐसा कुछ करते हैं जो इसमें एक्टर जो ऐसे एंटर करेगा. But in cinema of 90s, there was fun. It was joy. क्या फिल्म है? अभी हम कूलनेस की शिवाय क्या बोलने वाला था कूलनेस की अरे बाप रे सेम वर्ड आ रहा है दिमाग में कूलनेस के
फिल्मों के फ्लॉप होने का या कहते हैं ना नॉट सो ग्रेट कलेक्शंस होने का फर्क पड़ता है.
फोन बजना बंद हो जाता है, लोग फोन उठाना बंद कर देते हैं.
Again, I'm not generalizing, not
Yeah,
on all
no.
sets. We have lovely people who don't think
No.
so. But if a male actor has had an opinion, it's considered like he's so intelligent.
True,
That's
true.
such a cool thing. Like he thought of that, wow. But if a female actor has even mildly put her point across, like very, मैं आ गई, you know, ये अपना opinion दे रही है, कौन होती है ये?
गिव इट बैक बिकॉज चुप रहना कायरता की निशानी नहीं होनी चाहिए. बोलना बहुत जरूरी
हाँ,
है.
ऋषि कपूर साहब किया करते थे.
हाँ.
Why should you, just because you're a celebrity, you should not tolerate all the time?
Yeah, yesterday
Now you feel
yesterday
good
somebody
about
said something nasty about Rohit Sharma, how he looks. It was so stupid. It was so unnecessarily. He is a great player. He's a captain of Indian cricket team. अब उसकी वो कैसे दिखते हैं उससे क्या लेना देना.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble. I am Akriti Bagla and today I am in conversation with the cast of Tumko Meri Kasam, and I think the only word or phrase I can use to define them is they are truly versatile and supremely talented. So hello and welcome everyone.
Thank you.
हेलो बहुत बहुत
Thank you.
धन्यवाद. थैंक यू. आपने
know-
मुझे भी वही बोला जो इनके बारे में बोला.
हाँ,
अच्छा
समूह.
मैं भी हूँ, कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
Vikram, so first of all ट्रेलर की तारीफ करना चाहूँगी. You know, it has showed a range of emotions I think every one of us will relate to, and the story is also quite refreshing, right? In today's time, what do you think will resonate the audience with you bringing such a topic?
With me bringing such a topic or such a topic?
With you
such
bringing it.
with and especially
हाँ,
helped by
with
you.
me, yeah. I was just talking to my distributor and he said that everybody's excited
Yeah.
that I'm doing something like this. Because since Gulam, I have not made just a pure drama.
Yeah.
I've
That's what I
made
was
thrillers
talking about,
and
yeah.
I've made horror,
Horror.
and I've made
Even
comedies,
comedy, yeah.
but I have not made just a pure drama. One thing I would like to say about Tumko Meri Kasam is that it's a very real film, and like a real film, there are no heroes and heroines in this film.
Yeah.
They are just people, and these people are fighting their shortcomings. They are fighting for their ambitions. They are fighting the mediocrity around them.
True.
And I think that's the beauty of this film, that everybody is fallible like all of us, but they want to succeed like all of us.
But so you know that's so what brings me to my next question to all four of you. You know, it is very beautifully showed in the story, like how everyone is striving to reach at a certain position, how they are overcoming inhibitions also, plus the external noises and battles that is going around them, right? I want to ask to all of you the positions at which you all are today. What has been the setbacks or say the toughest battles you guys have encountered to maybe reach here today? Starting with you, sir.
Goalpost keeps changing.
Yeah,
And that's what is called reinvention.
I completely agree.
You know, it has nothing to do with what you have achieved. When you have achieved something, you want to. I, as an actor, like I feel that I try and make my job very difficult because I'm too sure that I know acting, I've done so much work. So, how do I bring in an element of freshness? And that is only possible when I make my job difficult. Because I've been always wanting to be, even when I was doing films with Dilip Saab or Mr. Bachchan or everybody, I want to be the best in that.
True.
And the only film, every film that I want to be the best. And for being the best, I have to work hardest.
Yeah.
So in Tumko Meri Kasam, the man is gone through so much. But I don't think Vikram wanted it to be constantly the way he's written the script, wanted it to be so obvious about it.
Yeah.
But वो लगना चाहिए उसके चेहरे पर कि वो जिंदगी गुजर चुका है. Not because he's that much old,
Oh, yeah.
but he has gone through it. Because that much old is a very happy man also. That much old is a very angry man also. But you have gone through life, that is what is important. So as an actor, I try and make my job difficult so that it's very exciting for me. And for me, going on the set, when I didn't work with them, but when I was working with other actors, including Esha, I was their nervousness was my, because they are nervous, so they will do their best.
Yeah.
Because I'm not nervous doesn't mean that I should not give my best. I don't know, did I make any sense?
You made a lot of sense.
So I think it's, जैसे आप हैं, आप होमवर्क करके आई हैं, आपके सवालों से पता लग रहा
Thank you so
है
much.
ना? और वो because you want to be different, you're representing your channel or whatever, so you worked hard, you understood the trailer, you said things which a lot of people did not say, and you've also, so I think that's how can you be different from other people?
True, sir. True. Ada.
About myself, I don't know, but I can tell you about him. I remember on the third day when we were.
Talk about yourself.
No, I mean to like spell. I don't know how to articulate a feel that I feel. But no, I'll tell you, like when I was on our third day of shoot, I remember like he was so sincere and so hardworking, and like every cell of his body was going towards making this character the best that he could. And it's really nice to work with people like that. It's so inspiring. I remember on the third day of shoot, I wished and I hoped, and I was like, I hope he gets professionally whatever, like whoever, I don't know what your dreams are professionally, but whoever you want to get to work with or whatever your dreams
That's
are.
sweet
And
of you. Thank you.
I was
That's
like, I
very
really
sweet of
hope
you. Really, really
and
sweet.
pray. I told my team also, I was like, he's so involved in it. It's so nice to go on a set where people are prepped with their lines, people are prepped with everything, the story and everything. It feels very nice when I'm performing as well.
I remember this,
And,
sorry to interject, but I remember this moment we were going to shoot in the Udaipur lake.
Yeah.
We had hired boats. And I was already sitting in the boat and they arrived and they were coming down the gangplank towards. And I'm seeing him muttering. अब शूटिंग तो गाने की मैं बोला गाना तो याद नहीं कर सकता ये. So as soon as he came into the boat, I said, "Are you memorizing the lines for the evening shoot?" He says, "Yes, sir."
अरे वाह.
We did the lines in that whole boat sequence where we are actually, he's giving
So
flower and all. We were.
what lines
So
were
you
there
will survive
after?
for a longer time, and I hope you remain like this.
आपको देख के आपके इंटरव्यू सुन के it's I think it's about the kind of role models you have. Everything that Sir has just said, you know,
Mentioned,
one of the things that he said today. I mean, I've listened to pretty much all his interviews that are there. And these are the kind of role models I have. So कहीं ना कहीं it's like अरे यार मैं तो ऐसे ही सोचता हूँ. But then I also realize it's because I've been following him for a long time.
You do that subconsciously, I think.
Yeah, true.
We don't do it consciously.
Yeah.
When we follow our role models, we don't do it consciously. It's just something that, kind of permeates within us. And it just molds us to become those kind of people.
But yeah, but sir, definitely want to know from you, you know, the position and the kind of films you have held, the kind of responses over the years you have got. What, you know, maybe professional setbacks or tough battles you have fought to reach here? Because you have an interesting story.
See, I have learned one thing, that durability is acceptability. You have to be durable. And to be durable, you have to reinvent yourself. You have to be able to learn all the craft. And you have to be able to constantly learn. And you have to be able to be constantly educate yourself with what is going on, what are the films being made, what other people are doing, what directors, 20 years, 30 years younger than me are doing. So I don't know about what I have done, what I made. For me, it is just survival. I make movies because there are stories I want to tell. And like Khir very rightly said, that the goalpost keeps changing. And for me, it has been, I am quite a bit follower of the Gita. So for me, it is, I make films for him, for the Lord, for him. And like he had said that tu phal ki chinta mat kar. So when you dedicate your work to the Almighty and do it to please Him, then you have no pressure.
That's very true.
Because then the journey is beautiful, whether it works or not. Because if it doesn't work, maybe He doesn't want it to.
But Ada, coming to your character says a very strong line in the trailer कि मर्द अपनी मर्दांगी के पीछे सब गलतियाँ छुपा लेते हैं, but it's we women who are labeled and we are passed judgments on, right? Very early on when you made your debut to now where you have reached, you have done a Kerala story film. I want to know what sort of judgments and maybe labels you have heard while you were marking your way.
I think generally in society also women are belittled and discarded, and that's how the gender society is, and that would reflect on films. I'm not saying everyone is like that, and you do have lovely makers who are very nice to you, and like Vikram Bhatt doesn't make you feel like you're a girl on set or you're a boy on set or you're a boy actor, girl actor, that. But there are many people who do make you feel that, and I think that's the worst thing you can do to an actor. People talk about equal pay and stuff like that, but I think more than that for me is being allowed to have an opinion. I've noticed if a male actor has had an opinion, he's considered really intelligent. Again, I'm not generalizing, not on all sets. We have lovely people who don't think so. But if a male actor has had an opinion, it's considered like he's so intelligent. That's such a cool thing. Like he thought of that, wow. But if a female actor has even mildly put her point across like very
gentle way,
gently, it's considered as ले आ गई, ये अपना opinion दे रही है, कौन होती है opinion देने के लिए?
But through time, one has learned to understand the difference between interference and involvement. I know when an actor is interfering, and I know when an actor is involved, and that's why Coppola said, I don't care about the actor's tantrums. What I fear is his genuine concern. When actors have a genuine concern, they are involved in the film. And when an involved actor gives you a suggestion, or he has difficulty in trying to figure out what the scene is, that's not interference.
Vikram sir, Anupam sir, I would like to point this. आप लोगों ने I think more than 3 decades ये industry देखी है. I want to know sir, इससे पहले आपको question भी पूछा गया कि why films are taking time to come to theaters, and I want to know what is exactly going wrong with the industry according to you guys, that today it is really tough to convince audience, bring stories to theaters, and what do you have to comment on the scenario now?
I think Hindi cinema is going through an identity crisis. I think we are, and not all of us as everybody, but I think they feel being cool is, they've got it wrong somewhere, the definition of being cool. So they are trying to, including me, I'm in so many of such films, they're trying to sort of ape West. हॉलीवुड की जो फिल्में होती हैं उसमें कूलनेस ये है, बट हमारे बॉडी लैंग्वेज में वो कूलनेस नहीं है. हम जेस्चर्स इस्तेमाल करते हैं, हम 22 हमारी ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेजेस हैं, हम हर 500 किलोमीटर के बाद नया खाना है, नया वेशभूषा है, नया इस थिंग है. हम वो है नहीं. उनको अंग्रेजी में बोलना आई लव यू, हमारे यहाँ पर 50 तरीके हैं भाषाएं आई लव यू बोलने की. सो आई थिंक दिस होल ट्राइंग टू बी कूल, बट आई थिंक टू मी being cool is being original. Look what now no more South cinema, now it's a global cinema or it's a universal Indian cinema. They have stuck to their roots. हम कहीं जो है ना जा रहे हैं इधर की यार ऐसा कुछ करते हैं जो इसमें एक्टर जो ऐसे एंटर करेगा. Why so many films? मतलब I am part of so many films. I'm not talking but constantly talking. But in cinema of 90s, there was fun. It was joy. Whether it was लम्हे or whether it was शोला और शबनम or whether it was हसीना मान जाएगी or whether it was all the मतलब फिल्म क्या फिल्म है. अभी हम कूलनेस की, ओम नमः शिवाय क्या बोलने वाला था, कूलनेस की, अरे बाप रे सेम वर्ड आ रहा है दिमाग में, कूलनेस के
आप स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो वो वर्ड को.
ये आपका ट्रेलर आपको मिल गया कूलनेस के
अरे नहीं यही तो है. आपका एडिटर कहेगा नहीं.
जैसे बोलते ना कि फटी हुई जीन्स पहनना और गाली देके बात करना इज कूलनेस. नो, आई थिंक बीइंग पंक्चुअल इज कूलनेस. बीइंग ऑनेस्ट इज बीइंग कूल. बीइंग रिस्पेक्टफुल इज बीइंग कूल. बीइंग रिस्पेक्टफुल टुवर्ड्स women with opinionate with being cool. What is this coolness about? कैसे बात हो रही है, क्या मतलब that?
Every time somebody buys a ticket to your film, is investing in your film.
Yeah.
He's not come to hate the film. He's come to like the film. Why would I pay $350 or $2,000 with an entire family to hate a film, to diss it? You know, I'm buying a ticket to love it, and I'll give you a chance till the second half. But by the end of it, if you don't give me anything to watch, I'll obviously.
I used to do a small stand-up comedy thing for this कि आपने पैसे खर्च किए, आप पिक्चर पसंद करने के लिए जा रहे हैं,
हाँ,
तो शुरुआत में बुरा सीन आया कुछ हुआ तो आप अभी ठीक हो जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं,
हाँ, ठीक हो जाएगा.
अच्छा फिर बुरी है, फिर आप जो मारो पकड़ के इसको. I think people go to see a film
हाँ,
to like
to
it.
like it. Why would you invest your time
so
and
first
money?
20 minutes people are forgiving to
हाँ.
you. करो ना.
First
कोई
act
बात
you
नहीं.
invest in it.
Yeah,
हाँ.
that
Invest
चलो
in
अभी
first
शुरू
act.
होगी यार, अभी शुरू होगी.
But आजकल लोगों के पास phones है, no? If you don't like it in the first 5 minutes, you put it on.
social
But in the
No, that is not the audience.
Yeah.
That is your every other critic. But
Okay.
the audience
But
is
the
not
audience,
like that.
yeah, if I
audience
go
is
to a-
very forgiving.
If I go to a theater and
You know, if the
probably
audience was
invest-
not forgiving, no flop director or actor could have ever made a comeback.
yeah.
Audience doesn't keep any vengeance. Audience doesn't keep. अगर आपकी फिल्म अच्छी लग रही है तो भले आपकी 10 फिल्म उसके पहले फ्लॉप हुई हो, वो आएंगे देखने. Whether it's an actor or a director, they are very forgiving. They are just saying, give us some good stuff, man. Our lives are filled with problems and difficulties. Just take us away to another planet for 2 hours, 3 hours.
But sir, on this note, I would like to know
Beautiful.
कि फिल्मों के फ्लॉप होने का या कहते हैं ना नॉट सो ग्रेट कलेक्शंस होने का फर्क पड़ता है, बिकॉज लुकिंग एट योर
किसको फर्क पड़ता है?
to makers, to even the actors who wants to work with you, like the
course.
whole system I'm talking about.
फ़ोन बजना बंद हो जाता है, लोग फ़ोन उठाना बंद कर देते हैं, और फिर आपको अपने आप को रीइन्वेंट करना पड़ता है, जैसे खेर साहब ने कहा.
Correct.
लेकिन आई ऑलवेज बिलीव दैट फेलियर इज एन इवेंट, नॉट अ पर्सन.
Yeah.
I don't, my stories might have failed, but I have never failed.
Ishwak, how was the experience and how excited are you to see yourself on big screen now? You know, because of the work OTT में आपने जो किया है, the praise you have got. How are you waiting for this to translate now?
See, I mean, at the end of the day, I think the canvas is one thing.
Yeah.
It's better not to think about it. You can't help.
Yeah.
I mean, at the end of the day, I know that it's a reality and it will hit me.
Yeah.
Probably days before the release. And, you know, I'll have butterflies in my stomach and I'll be like a
Yeah.
bundle of nerves, all of that. But अभी till वो होता है, वो release से एक दिन,
Definitely.
चाहे वो OTT पे हो या किसी पे भी, because you've invested so much
Yeah.
in something. And as a creative person, at the end of the day, you don't, अगर आप अपने काम से आपको लगाव है ना, आपको उतने ज़्यादा implication, ramification नहीं समझ आते. It is just that thing यार, लोग कहें हाँ यार, जो जिस बिलीफ के साथ मैंने ये फिल्म में काम किया है और जो मैंने इसमें करने की कोशिश की, that should come across. My whole, not just me, you know, the whole film,
Yeah.
the project should get its space under the sun. So for me, it's about that. You know, that वो जो it needs to strike a chord with the audience.
Definitely. But you know, from all of you, I would like to know, sir, आपने एक बहुत important emotion, I would say, explore करना चाहे movie के through कि how hate is amplified more than the good around you. Like he is doing a noble cause, but there are voices around him. People are trying to stop him. आप लोगों को लगता है today's time are such where जहाँ कुछ भी लिखा जाता है, whatever you say, it's misconstrued, and we have to actually be careful, you know, before speaking or before making any
इसका जवाब
move.
देगी, आप इसका शिकार बन चुकी हैं.
No, not in
but
that.
no, but I think इतना अगर केयरफुल रहेंगे तो जिएंगे कब भी. Can't. For me, I don't live like that. And जो मिसकंस्ट्रू कर रहे हैं, I don't think वो उनका IQ लो है. I think वो बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट लोग हैं जो सोच रहे हैं हम लोग अपना चैनल कैसे बेचें या अपना वेबसाइट कैसे बेचें. बिकॉज आप हेडलाइन देखोगे, हेडलाइन कुछ और है, आर्टिकल में प्रॉपर लिखा है सच, बट द हेडलाइन विल बी अ सेंसेशनल थिंग. मे बी दे नीड टू सेल इट टू गेट फूड ऑन देयर टेबल्स.
आजकल बदनामी में ही नाम है.
But I don't know. I think we should not take ourselves too seriously
not,
and
but
take.
In general, I'm talking about how the times have become such careful and
I
fearful.
think the
rather,
times were always like that, maybe. But सिर्फ social media नहीं था या
Yeah.
we were not on our phones constantly reading what everyone else is saying. But people have been good and bad. I would like to believe from eons before we ever
Yeah.
existed. Good and bad always existed. And yeah, to But I don't know if you should be, how careful you should be. It's a personal
Personal
choice to
choice.
decide.
Ishwak and Anupam. So.
देखो तकलीफ तो होती है, कोई बुरा बोले आपके बारे में, ऐसा तो है नहीं कि तकलीफ नहीं होती है। फिर उसके बाद आप उसको कैसे रिएक्ट करते हैं, दैट इज़ मैच्योरिटी।
True.
क्योंकि अगर आप सामने वाले को, जिसने आपको तकलीफ पहुंचाई है, उसको बता दो कि मुझे तकलीफ पहुंची है,
Yeah.
तो फिर वो अपने उसमें सक्सीड हो गया था। एंड अभी भी कोई मेरे बारे में कुछ लिखता है सोशल मीडिया में, कुछ बोलता है, मैं सोचता हूँ मैं तो ऐसा नहीं हूँ यार। तो देन विदाउट लूजिंग योर ओन सेंसिटिविटी, नॉट harden, don't become harder about it, ignore it, learn to ignore it and sometime give it back to him.
Yeah.
give it back, because चुप रहना कायरता की निशानी नहीं होनी चाहिए। जब आप ऐसी तैसी कौन है, बोलना बहुत ज़रूरी
हाँ,
है।
ऋषि कपूर साहब किया करते थे
हाँ,
on his Twitter or अभी X है।
Yeah.
Yeah, he used to give it
Yeah,
back.
he
He's
was-
not, yeah.
it's
He
important.
was. Why should you, just because you're a celebrity, you should not tolerate all the time.
Yeah, if it makes you happy, or if you know how to give it back well, then.
But losers are the people who criticize, who they are desperate for attention. कि हमें
There
भी-
is a new term.
हाँ,
It's called social media sadism.
Yeah,
हाँ।
exactly.
That is, even if you don't want to, say mean things about celebrities
हम्म,
because it makes your life seem better.
Yeah, yesterday somebody said something nasty about Rohit Sharma, how he looks. It was so stupid. It was so unnecessary. He is a great player. He is a captain of Indian cricket team. अब उसकी वो कैसे दिखते हैं, उससे क्या लेना देना? Basically, I just read today right now
Yeah,
somewhere I was reading about it. कि क्या, he is whatever he is. आप चुप रहना, कब चुप रहना वो इम्पोर्टेंट है। मगर तुमको मेरी कसम जो है वो 21 तारीख को रिलीज हो
And
रही
we are
है।
making noise about it. We have to make
आपको
the
ट्रेलर अच्छा लगा, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Yeah,
आपने
I
जिस
like
तरह से
the
उसको
concept.
एनालाइज किया वो
I
बहुत
like the
अच्छा एनालाइज
concept.
किया। आपके सवाल बहुत अच्छे थे।
Thank
I
you so
must
much, sir.
say that you were very good.
Yeah.
So to try that.
But also it like would change with the kind of
Character you're
text and like in the sense that sorry 2 के 3 मिनट हो जाएंगे, but like that sometimes the text itself is so potent that you just want to have it kind of say it and keep it minimalistic. Does that also
No,
make
that's
sense?
we were talking about something else. He
Yeah.
said
I'd like to keep my mind open anyway for any character.
Uh-huh,
Like if I'm doing this, even when I learn my lines, how I by heart lines first, I do it in different. I do it in different actresses' voices for my own entertainment at home.
जैसे
So I'll do it often.
Okay.
they'll say I'm trolling people and all, but out of love, out of all the
एक बार
actors.
जूही का करके दिखाना।
हैं?
Juhi,
Juhi
I'm
Chawla.
good. I'm good with current people.
हाँ,
so
एक का किसी का भी एक करंट करके दिखाना।
एक करो ना
Like,
तो।
what is my line? Like, मर्द अपने मर्दानगी के पीछे भागता रहता है और औरत अपना ये ओके तो मैं बाहर करती हूँ
समझ गया।
और I like you know I say it like that like मर्द अपने मर्दानगी के like पीछे भागता so I do it like that so now I know the line so then when I come to set I have no way of how I'm going to do it so if he tells me do it like this or do it like this I love as an
Thank
actor,
God
I
ऐसा ही नहीं
wait-
करती।
no I wait for I like to see what the director's input is a lot of times like I've done South movies where I've thought how can I do it like this and the director said no but do it like this and I thought how I'd
Okay,
never be able to
excuse
do
me,
but
there
it
is-
seemed
I have to
Even I have to go.
go.
All the best.
Yeah,
21 तारीख
thank
को
you
हमारी
so
फिल्म
much.
जरूर देखिएगा, तुमको मेरी कसम। But thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you so much,
बॉलीवुड
sir.
बबल पे हमारा इंटरव्यू खत्म होता है। नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है अनुपम खेर और आप हमको देख रहे हैं बॉलीवुड बबल पर।
हाय मैं हूँ अदा शर्मा और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं बॉलीवुड बबल पे
हाय, मेरा नाम है श्वाक सिंह और आप हमें देख रहे हैं बॉलीवुड बबल पे।
Hi, this is Vikram Bhatt and you are watching me on Bollywood Bubble.